Hi guys, welcome to another session in B versus B. Today let's see about the IPO Happiest Mind, which is coming up in September. Okay, let's learn about this company. So this company is incorporated in 2011 and it's a Bangalore based IT company. They are into digital business service, product engineering service and infrastructure and management security service. This company, as of June 30, 2020, it has 148 active customers and has a global presence in countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada and Middle East. The business unit of this company is assisted by 3 centers of excellence, which are of Internet Things. So there is a great reputation in this company coming into market. So they are planning to raise a capital of 702 crores. And here are the details of Happiest Mind IPO. The IPO date is between September 7 to September 9. So you can bid between September 7 to September 9. And the issue type is Book Built Issue IPO. Let's see in another session what is Book Built Issue IPO. And the face value for this IPO is 2 rupees per share equity. And then the IPO price is 165 to 166. And the lot size is 90. So that means you can buy a minimum of 90 shares and which constitutes of 1 lot. Maximum you can buy 13 lots, which is 1170 shares. 1 lot price is 14,940, whereas the 13 lot price is 1,94,220 rupees. So this is the maximum that you can invest in this IPO. So coming to the dates, important dates. So bid opens on September 7 and bid closes on September 9th. So you will know whether you have been allotted with the Happiest Mind IPO or not on September 14. If you are not allotted with Happiest Mind IPO, then you will get a refund on September 15th. And on 15th, you will also have the shares credited in your Demat account. And this Happiest Mind company comes into NSE and BSE listing on 17th September. Okay. So let's see this IPO using a Zerodha account. So I have logged in into the Zerodha Kite account. So you have to go to the profile and under your profile there is an option called as console. Click on console, then click on portfolios and there is an option called as IPOs. Click on IPOs. Since I am recording this video on Sunday, the IPO window will usually open on the trading days between 10 AM to 5 PM. Tomorrow morning you will be able to see the Happiest Mind IPO and then you can go ahead and apply here. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel and encourage us. Thanks for watching the video.